Today we are introduced bird sound. Which sounds? Bird sounds. Which bird is this? Parrot. Which bird is this? Parrot. What is the color of parrot? कौन सा कलर है parrot का? Green color. Which color? Green color. And what is the sound of parrot? Now which bird is this? Sparrow. Which bird is this? Sparrow. What is the color of sparrow? Brown color. Which color? Brown color. Kiyansh, which color is this? Brown color. Okay. What is the sound of sparrow? Now which bird is this? Crow. Which bird is this? Crow. What is the color of crow? Black color. And what is the sound of crow? Okay, thank you.